Well, I was told to let's go, and I was like, "You for real? Let's go." So he was like, "Yeah, we're for real. Let's go." So we're in here. You look at what I'm in. This is the R35s, boys. A beautiful R35.
Okinawa.
Come on.
It's so fucking beautiful.
Come on, Okinawa.
Wow.
We're waiting on you to come.
So beautiful.
So when you coming?
Hello, konnichiwa, konbanwa.
Oh, look at that G24.
No, beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
This is one thing, boy. Tourists, they just stand in the way.
That's a beautiful steering wheel.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh my God. I love it. I still do.
That's why the transmission all the time is broken because so much fun. So I reduced the power for try keep the transmission. I changed it 2 times.
You changed it 2 times.
2 fuck times.
Oh my God.
Always.
Wow. This transmission has been changed twice.
Yeah. You know Nikon Corporation? Nikon Corporation.
Oh.
It's like the friend of Top Secret. And send Top Secret after send Nikon Corporation. Change 2 times. And say, I need maybe it's better to reduce the power. So much power.
You got to go to the American guys. They know how to build it. Oh my God, I love it. 10 times. He made my trip 10 times better. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh God. No. Oh my goodness. Man. Ela. Very nice.
I can do this all day. Remember on Bad Boys when he said, now that's how you supposed to drive.
That's how you drive. That's how you drive.
From now on, that's how you drive. I love Santiago. Me and Santiago. You is my brother as well. Santiago, tell me, I have a brother come to him.
Oh my God.
I have so many things to do, bro. But yeah, take a look.
Well, when you come to Okinawa, we'll have a little fun. You know, my 33 too slow, bro. It's like 240 horsepower, maybe 300.
No. Put another one in front of that. He's downplaying it.
You better stop lying about your horsepower.
It is about.
When you start telling the truth about your horsepower, I tell the truth about me not being rich.
All right. It's about 350. It's about 350 to the wheels.
Oh, he brought it out.
Who brought what?
From the U.S. because he shipped his Tokyo Drift Evo out here from the U.S. He brought that shit out here. Damn, this shit got packed over 5 minutes. We've only gone 2 minutes.
From the moment I sat in here to the time we just back, I mean, I'm still loving it, you know. Yeah.
I can't see. I can't see. Thank you very much.
No, thank you. I didn't do nothing but sit over here and laugh and smile.
I like you so much, bro.
Come on, you gotta get out. Oh my goodness, bro. Hey, that was a good fucking ride.